Going on, everybody? Welcome back to TMT. Today I wanted to make a quick video on I'm certain that this is the #1 requested remodel project that we've gotten in like the last 2 to 3 years, probably maybe a little bit more than that. But this is what I'm talking about right here. How many homes do we know have, this old school soffit that that they installed to hide in a bunch of stuff, right? So they use it to hide primarily the ductwork, but also wires, some pipes and stuff. So a lot of people are tired, it's outdated, they don't want to see it anymore. They are annoyed that their room is one elevation, and then as soon as they walk in here, it drops. You have to put a soffit in. So that looks kind of cheesy. It bugs a lot of people, and it looks really, really nice when it's all said and done. So, we obviously, our scope is to remove the ductwork and then relocate all these outlets, right? We need to put them at new locations because that soffit is no longer going to be there. So we need to come down and put them in that truss space. So it's easier said than done, but at this point we're so fast at it that this is a pretty simple project to us now. And if you are interested in getting this done, obviously our scope is only going to be the HVAC part, but we can connect you with people, our partners. You have to have a bunch of partners in the construction field that can do the tear out, do the drywall later, do everything else. You don't have to use them, but I noticed that a lot of people, do. They do end up using our recommendations because they're typically very affordable. And the most important thing is that they already know what is going on. Like, if we're calling them, then they know, okay, you're removing the soffit. Yep. We know what we need to do. So that makes the process go super fast. So let's just look over here. Obviously, we're going to need, a new supply vent here for the bathroom, another supply here, kind of in that area for this room, or for this door, sorry. And then, maybe another supply in this area for this area right here, which is going to be like a bar. And then here in this area for the, master bedroom. Now, the design will change. We'll figure that out later, but it can go here, or it can go here, or it can go there. It really varies on the location with how the homeowner wants and what type of equipment they have. So, all right, y'all. Well, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let y'all know. Are you guys doing this similar project? I want to know. If you're not, then why are you not? I don't know. Well, thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.